in Macau. It's been a while. I want to see you. You make me smile. Hello, Macau. Oh, how have you been? I really want to see you. Oh, my, Macau. Oh, my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my, Macau. I'm looking at you, Macau, wanting to see more of you. Oh, what am I to do? I'm looking at you again. Oh, my, Macau. That's my, Macau.
Montenegro, this Montenegro Street, which is in Taipa village, and we kind of have all these small little alleys everywhere, so we're going to be exploring our street, and we're just going to give you an idea of what's all around here. Some coconuts. We're definitely going to be showing you this. Let me walk down it right now. But there's also these lion dances down here as well, so that'll be part of our street, which is right in here. So later that'll probably be going, so we'll give you an idea of what that looks like as well. Macau, Taipa village, up on the map, Montenegro Street. Montenegro Street. So this particular little alley is kind of short, but I'll give you a little tour of all of Taipa, not all of it, sorry, a slice of Taipa village and a small slice of Macau, which is actually a small, tiny little city. So we're just having a slice of life. So Montenegro, up on the map, so you can see that. And this was during January 1, but I'm actually going to be uploading it during Chinese New Year. So there's actually dragon dances in both times of the year. So that's kind of appropriate for this particular video because we have it right here in Taipa village, right next to Montenegro. Anyways, lyrics up on the map, so you can see that. And let's just get into the walk and talk, and you can see it for yourself through my camera lens. Montenegro Street, so they're doing line dancing. It's January 1, so we're definitely going to be filming there in a moment, but we're going to go down this way first, kind of give you an idea of what's in this little slice of Taipa village. And then this are these little alleys that goes all the way to Kunigai, which is kind of like a food street. So this is the beginning of Montenegro Street, more like an alley. So let me just kind of give you an idea of what's around here as well, just so you can kind of see. Lots of tourist shops, La Famiglia. And I'm just going to, and there's lots of these alleys kind of throughout. And Portuguese restaurants, Chinese restaurants. So there's kind of no shortage of interesting stuff that you can meander around about. So I think I'm just going to give you a little bit of tour, and then we're going to go back to Montenegro and then go down where the lion dancing is at. But you can kind of see, you know, what type of village is like. And there's actually new stuff coming. This is an art gallery, so they built this 2.5-story glass window side, which seems kind of out of place slightly, but I guess it actually works. And then you also have stuff like this too. I think that's somebody's home, and then beautiful balconies. Gloria. It's just kind of enough that I should kind of want to keep showing you stuff. They're creating a mall right in here, like a small business. So this kind of has a couple nice, these are really good restaurants, Portuguese owned. Locals, I mean. Portuguese that reside and live in Macau for a long time. Two great restaurants, Fernando's and that's kind of cool. Let me kind of fade out a little bit like that. And Cristiano. Okay, so we are kind of getting a little bit. You can also see some of these have rooftops too up there, right? So that's not too uncommon. So you can actually see other rooftops up there. And some of them will have restaurants up at the rooftops as well. This is this space again. There's a lot of artists that are in this area, but the prices are kind of going up. So I think traditionally there's more of them, and now they're still here, definitely. Okay, so we kind of meandered about a little bit into Taipa village, showing you the beauty of it. And now we're going to go back to Montenegro after a little bit of a deviation there. And then we have some nice little coffee shops, like that one. I remember when that one opened up. It just opened up during COVID, just a couple years ago. So that's going to be our focus street. Down that way is Kunigai. We'll probably come back at that in a little bit later in the video. But our Montenegro is only 2 blocks, so that's why I'm kind of giving you an idea of what other parts of Taipa village look like. Nice restaurants in here. So we're still at Montenegro, and then Montenegro is going to be ending. We also have this kind of dairy ice cream shop right there too. So a lot more people down that way. Okay. So this is Montenegro Street, but it ends right here at this plaza. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of go back so you can see the Montenegro sign, and we're just going to go into these alleys, into more of the alleys a little bit, so you can get a context, because our street is so small. But over here is called Food Street. Kunigai. And over here you're going to see tons of people kind of everywhere. Let's see if we can... So you can see these long lines that go all the way down. This is for beef opal, beef intestines. This long line is for Lord's toes, like egg tart. So that line goes all the way down around the corner, down Montenegro Street. Hello. Then we have all kinds of people throughout. Let's walk down it slightly. That's Montenegro Street. a super long line right here. That line goes all the way down to the end of the street, I think. So let's navigate back to Montenegro. So we kind of gave you the focus of Montenegro Street because it's only 2 blocks. It's so short. And this way I can kind of give you some context of the other parts of Taipa Village as well. So we're going to come back. So Montenegro Street was straight down that way. Looks like the dragon line might be coming to an end here, maybe. But anyways, you can have an idea. I would just walk back to Montenegro just so you can kind of put it all back into context a little bit. So a slice of Taipa Village. So they don't always have, they have different events. So today is lion dancing. And then this is back to Montenegro. Okay, so hopefully kind of interesting. And as you can see, Montenegro is only 2 blocks, relatively quick to walk through. That's the end of it already. Then we're just going to kind of walk a little bit further. So that was our, and this one has like kind of coffee shop slash tourist things. And then just give you the full context. We're gonna just keep walking into Taipa Village a little bit more. I'm gonna walk out of it. Somewhat still in it, but now we're out on the main street. So there you go. Another slice of Macau. So this is the kind of one of the 2 streets that kind of is Taipa Village. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there.
Oh my, Macau. Oh my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh my, Macau.